So the IAAF World Relays are set to go off in another week or two. And a long list of athletes and coaches and support staff have been named by the J3As to cover all events across male, female, and mixed categories. The question is though, how much, if any, practice has the Jamaican team done since the naming of the team? How much, if any, practice will be done before the team leaves for Guizhou, China? Or are they going to wait until they get to China, then do two little run up and down and go out and compete? And look, we know the challenges with the different athletes from the different clubs, with the different coaches preparing for different individual events, and how difficult, if not impossible, it is to get these athletes in the same space at the same time to do coordinated relay practice. But what's the use of all these coaches and all this time and the team don't practice? What we expect to happen? You tell me what you expect to happen. You tell me.